welcome back to my channel Arty Crafty Cookie Fun World. So in today's video I'm going to review wooden miniature cooking set. So let's get started. So first I have showed you some set of miniature cookery set. So in this set I got we can drink water in this, a pot like thing which we can keep some water, but if they give some little bit a big larger hole that will be useful, but they gave me only a little hole. So next they gave me a pot like this, I think, so we can store some things in this pot. Yeah. So the next one is this one. This one they told that we can grind the rice and make ready with the rice batter. So I think so we should insert some rice in this and we have to grind. So these and all are jars which have their lids all around. We can't open it. So this is a jar and I have another jar too, but these and all are big and they are all small. So another one is this one. This one we can just insert some things and we can grind as a paste. So this one we have to fill some flour water and we can splash the water in for our guests who are coming to our house. So these are some cups I got in the kit. Yeah, and this one we can make, we can just flat the dough with this tool. And these all are some of my collections. So the next collections are, and these are the other sets of the wooden toy collection. So guys, so these are my miniature wooden toys collection. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video guys. Bye. Stay tuned.